like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna forget to tell you later.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there. It just stopped filming. The windshield's pretty gross, but as we can see. As I was driving down here, there was an eagle out just kind of floating beside me down the river. Oh, yeah, you got all those little springs coming out of the bank. Like here we go. There's like so much nice, clean, fresh water. It just runs out from under the town. This is going to be our new water plant, or water intake. Right now they've got this one running out like into the river, but once this is flooded, these will be the intakes here. Oh, you can't really see it. Up there's where I live. Oh, there's some deer here. Hopefully they get over on the other side of the road. Yes, there you go, bud. Get over there. Can't blame them for hanging out down here, though. We got lots of fresh water and nice grass. Oh, let's see if he's. Oh, don't bolt in those rocks, buddy. Break your legs. You're looking pretty scruffy. Hope you can get your summer coat soon. I used to come down here, fill up my water jugs. Oh, there's more deer there. Yeah, you just, I don't know, I guess I've never seen whether it's been tested or not, but I drink the water all the time. It tastes delicious. So. Yeah, you get those ones, like that one way over there, it's kind of out on the bank, like it's going to head down to the river. And those rocks are just so awful. I guess the deer are good climbers, but man, I just get worried they're gonna fall and break their legs. Look at all these bucks, man. That's $3. Hey. Oh, there's a doe up there. Hi, buddy. Looks like, well, it's hard to tell from here, but it looks like another buck. Oh, no, I guess that's a doe. Just be careful. Hello, Mom. Hi. Maybe not a mom yet, but she will be. This was always a good one for flowing all year round. I've never seen that one dry up. Same as the other one. And this used to all that white there is mineralized. Well, I guess it's just minerals. This was all one great big waterfall here. It's rerouted now, and or diverted, I guess they call it. Same thing, I think. But this is where it is now. So out here, this is all going to be walking trail, but this is the spring. This is the main spring that comes out. If you just walk up the trail there a little bit, there's no water. It just all comes out of nowhere. It just appears. And then this is our back to the start of where we go up to the road. So this is the west half of the berm, I guess. And I think this is where the recreation area is going to be. So, like I showed you from over there. So this is up there's the museum. It's too steep. You can't see it from here, but that's where it is up there. And this is where I just do a little bit of scrapping. Right here, I'm scrapping an old VCR. It is a Canadian Tire Venture brand. If any of you folks remember those pieces of shit. Pretty well everything Venture was gross. And this is where I get hungry and I'm like, oh man, you know what, I need some Mennonite sausage. And then I make some jokes about how we just use old Mennonites in the sausage and we have to add a little bit of extra spice. And then we make a joke about how I'm showing people that seniors can be useful. And then we start to have some fun with Scrapman69 because Scrapman he's just awesome and he's great to have fun with. He's a really good addition to the Discord. And so I'm eating my sausage, and yeah, as you can see by my physique, I really need it. And then I'm like, oh man, I guess I should finish eating here, do a little bit more Discord, and then I'm going to grab my stuff and I'm going to scrap out a Kobe, what do you call it, DVD. And then on it, I'm like, oh, so instead of just scrapping it out, I've got to keep looking at my phone being like, oh, hey, that's funny, yay. Anyhow, so we get working on this, and I'm kind of getting towards the end. I don't know why I'm showing you the whole thing, but I am getting towards the end of it, and then I'm like, oh, here's a power board, and blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, there's some crappy boards. That board's not too bad, but it's not great. Then I'm like, oh, I gotta take this DVD player apart because there's like a bunch of motors in there. You know, you don't want to lose out on that 40 cents. So I start tearing that whole thing apart. Oh, I forgot my friggin' I've lost my clippers, my crescents. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I'm very angry with myself. That's it. I'm done with this. Plastic pile. Oh. Look at that. Oh, wait. It's pretty heavy. Roland PR100 digital sequencer. I guess I should look it up. And this is where I just sped it up because the whole thing was just me looking up the digital sequencer, finding out that they're selling, like years ago, they were selling for, $50 plus shipping, Canadian, and it was made in 1987. Nobody wants them anymore. Then for some reason I decided to ask you guys if you want to see it get scrapped. And I don't know. We'll see if you do. I won't scrap it right yet. I'll wait to hear back whether I should. That sure looks like rain coming. Grab my stuff and just kind of put the stuff that I'm going to scrap tonight in. There's an empty bin I can use. There, I just drove down to the main landing. Getting a lot of lightning in there, but of course I don't need my truck on. There it goes. See what I mean? Like you can see, it's raining over there. It's not that far away. And that lightning just gives like a light rumble of thunder. I'm glad it wasn't like this, or it wasn't really loud and rainy last night because the dog was at a party. Turns out she, when she took off, I don't know, somehow some guy found her and then took her to a party. All the local bikers were having or I guess they're not local, some of them are. The northern bikers were having a big party, and this would have put a real damper on it if it had got a bad rainstorm. But anyways, yeah, the dog was with them. Stupid. This morning I got to call it. I put a thing on Facebook last night around 9 o'clock, and I got a call at like 10:30 this morning. I was sleeping, and the dog had been at this biker party all night and was still there. She said just wandering around. So, anyways, my wife went up and got her. But yeah, like I was so worried all night. I'm like, oh God, she's gotten beaten to death by a deer, or she's fallen into a hole and she's got broken legs and she's gonna die and nobody's ever gonna know where she is. And no, she was at a biker party. Just probably eating whatever food people dropped on the ground or left unattended on a table. Anyhow, I'm glad she's back, but I just don't know how long she's gonna last. Like she's just so dumb. Oh, look at that. Look at that steep slope. Maybe I need to zoom in on it. Oh, 10 times is too much. Oh, there we go. That is a steep slope. And they're saying you can break dance on it. Here comes the rain. That one might have a crack. Or not. Ooh. Hopefully this will keep the dust down a bit. Geese don't like that. Alright, my arm's getting sore. Oh, that was a good one too. And it's getting wet. I have to put that window up. Maybe.